Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever tried making a green tea ginger punch at home? It's going to be made with some fresh orange juice, finely grated ginger and some peppermint green tea. Green tea has its own health benefits, that it's rich in antioxidants and a lot of other nutrients that are good for our mind and body. And peppermint green tea on its own is great. You can have it on its own, but once in a while you want to have something special for your tea parties, you can have this orange and ginger peppermint green tea punch. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right in and I'll show you how to make this drink.